As a parent, I love the opportunity that Mission Imagination brings to the children.
And Mission Imagination is very important to my school as well as to all of District 47 and the greater McHenry County.
It offers such a diverse opportunity with different age groups.
That is so invested in its children and its families because of this love of music.
And having Mission Imagination allows the arts to be given to every child in the community.
Actually, at first I was thinking, whoa, what is this going to be about or something?
It's our educational program that serves anywhere from 15 to 25,000 kids, depending on what we do.
It brings them to the theater where they get to see live theater.
And that is the most important thing for their imagination, for their future, and just for them as children, just to be kids where kids can be kids.
That's such serious business.
So when the kids come off the bus, you can just tell how excited they are to participate in the program that they've been learning about in their classrooms.
It was just really fun. I got to skip subjects.
They get a study guide from the teacher, and they're talking about this for weeks before they even come. So they're really excited to be here.
And so when we went there, they just were in awe.
The boys in the audience were going wild. The girls were screaming, literally screaming.
I mean, their mouths were dropped. They were, clapping and applauding.
And making them part of fine arts just is a wonderful, wonderful mission.
It was more exciting than I expected it to be.
They loved it. They absolutely loved it.
I love Mission Imagination.
Doing the acrobats was like more action.
It's something that those acrobats practiced, they had to hone, and then they're getting up doing it live on stage.
I kind of felt like, wow, this is way better than on TV.
That's something they would never get in any other way, shape, or form.
I'm sure they would go back.
I told my parents and my sister and my whole family, and they really wanted to go see it too.
I would say, Mom, can you take me to the Val Center?
Because there is nothing better than watching the faces of these children the first time that they experience live theater.